Gentle? Should we be gentle with the vacuum? Do you love the vacuum?
Time to vacuum.
Oh, gentle with the vacuum. Oh, Henry's excited. Oh, Henry loves the vacuum. Okay, now Hannah's going to put on the hose and show you how Henry acts when the hose goes on the vacuum. Henry loves the vacuum, but he hates the hose. It's just the hose. Bye? You want the hose to go by? Oh. Okay, take it off. He doesn't like it. It's okay. You're all right. What should we do with the vacuum, Henry? Gentle? Gentle? Bye. Bye for the hose.
Should we put this bye-bye?
Aww. Gentle, gentle, huh? Is that what you're saying? Gentle? Aww. Henry loves the vacuum. Gentle. Okay, we'll be gentle, Henry. We won't put the hose back on.